What if we told you your car's critical components can be protected for up to 10 years? Hard to believe, but it's true. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we're spotlighting Maruti Suzuki's Service-Activated PowerPlus Warranty, designed for your peace of mind up to 10 years. So how does Service-Activated PowerPlus Warranty kicks in? Simply avail periodic maintenance service of your car at any Maruti Suzuki authorized dealer workshop. You'll unlock up to 1 year or 12,000 kilometers of warranty. Built to shield your car's engine, transmission and electrical systems, keeping you confident on the road for a whole decade. And the best part? This protection comes at an unbeatable price. To know more about Service-Activated PowerPlus Warranty, simply click the link given in the description or visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized dealer workshop to avail Service-Activated PowerPlus Warranty with periodic maintenance service and drive on with extended peace of mind. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.